Why do Chinese people live forever? It's because 80% of our meals are fresh vegetables and fermented foods, tofu, and fish. There's only really like a side of other kind of meat, if there is any. We drink green tea every single day. Green tea is the number one tea. So if you're drinking a different kind of tea, make sure you switch to green tea. We go overboard and overload all our food with garlic and ginger. Super healthy, anti-inflammatory. Our portion size with meals is moderate. We try not to overeat, and that is very important. We don't drink any kind of sugary beverage. We are minimal with our processed snacks. We instead like to munch on chicken feet. Yummy, all that cartilage. And after supper, every day, we go for a walk. That is ingrained in our Chinese culture. And Chinese people enjoy activities like Tai Chi and Qigong, really good for health, and all those breathing exercises just do wonders for the body and soul. We also like activities like gardening and badminton, and generally we like to just stay busy with day-to-day chores. It's important to be productive and useful for this culture. And we have a very strong foundation of family support. There is a lot of care and attention in very often multi-generational households. We also have this magical thing called traditional Chinese medicine. There are all sorts of amazing herbs and magical things like Tiger Balm. You can use Tiger Balm for pretty much anything, any ailment. Tiger Balm will work. Not to mention all the acupuncture that is ingrained in our culture. That's also